If you're trying to build a streetwear brand and you're using heat transfers, you're only hurting it without realizing. I run a print shop and I see brands make this mistake all the time. I know heat transfers are cheap and easy to make. They're the worst long-term choice if you want quality. And I get it, everybody starts here. Heat transfers, it's a cheap startup, easy to do it at home, and no minimums. And I'm not saying they're 100% bad. There are some ways where you can use it where it's good. Like let's say if you're using it to apply to tote bags or to different applications. But there is stuff where like you put it on the shirt and it gets washed multiple times, and then with time it just starts to fall off. It starts to crack, it starts to peel, and it's because it's a everyday use. People wash it, but compared to like let's say tote bags, those really don't get washed, so they last longer and they look good. So this is why heat transfers are hurting your brand. After a while, like I said, they start to crack, they start to peel, and customers notice that. And with the day of age today, they could just be like, man, I could have bought a blank shirt and I could have done this myself, because they're cheap, they're easy to make, and people do them at home. And even if they don't tell you in your face that they didn't like it, some people don't even tell you nothing, and they just stop coming to you to buy your shirts. So they stop coming to you, and in the long run, you end up losing that client and that money. Screen printing is best for like whenever you order like a bunch of the same item. Direct to garment is best whenever you have like shorter runs or you want to do a sample print. It's gonna be more effective and better in the long run. So whenever, like let's say you want to just do 50 shirts of a design or 12 shirts of a design, it's going to be more cost effective and easier on you and the person printing it. But with that, it's quality, it's better printing methods. So screen printing lasts a long time, so does DTG. I've had shirts probably like 2-3 years, 5 years ago with my first DTG print sample that I made, and I've washed that shirt so many times. The shirt started to like look all filmy and weak, and after so many washes, and the print is still there. It still looks good. And saying that, that's what you want. You want your shirts to last long, so that let's say here in the future they're gonna say that that's gonna be that's a vintage shirt, because the print is still there, and your brand by then is gonna be big, so they'll be like, oh look, I have the first shirts that were printed by them. And you don't want them saying, oh look, these shirts they didn't even last, that's why they sucked. No one's gonna have your shirts. So if you want quick cash, heat transfers work. They're quick, easy, and everybody does them. It's just in and out. But if you're trying to start a brand and actually build something good, you have to invest in quality. So if you want to build a brand and you need help choosing the right print method, send me a DM. I help brands every day doing this.